Hey guys, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot. So you can see I have it open on my computer, but you can quickly find it on your taskbar. You click on it and it's going to open up Copilot. Right, so if you're not able to find it here from your taskbar, you can always search your PC and you can find Microsoft Copilot on your computer and you can open it as well. So once you're in Copilot, I'm going to just go from top to bottom and show you what you get. And yeah, you will see how to use it. From the top, you have the three buttons here on the upper left. Basically, you have the logo, you have the sidebar that you can toggle on or off to open up the sidebar where you can see your different conversations. And of course, you also have your account that you can click on as well and sign out of Copilot and so forth. You also have the home button to jump back to the home screen. And here you have your search box or your message box that you can type as well. Right, you have the language models right here. You can switch between different language models as you want, as you can see there. And of course, the smartest one or the latest GPT 5.1, you can have it right here and use it. Super cool. Of course, here you have some options here. You can make a plan, you can create an image, you can get advice, write a first draft, whatever. You have this option as well that you can start your conversations and you can take a screenshot or even to upload images from your PC if you so desire right there. Now, this feature is really nice. It allows you to share your screen and you can share your screen with Microsoft Copilot and you can ask it questions. You can ask it how to fix whatever. And it doesn't have to be only in Windows. It can also be for different applications that you're using. So whatever it is on your screen, you can ask Copilot to help you to fix it. And of course, you can speak to Microsoft Copilot by clicking on this button right here that says talk to Copilot, and you can talk to Microsoft Copilot, ask it instead of typing. At the bottom here, you basically have your recent files or files that you've recently used on your PC. It shows the time that you use them. If you don't want to show these files, you can always click the three dots and hide these files or hide the entire recent files here. These are the different apps on your PC. Could be apps that you recently use, or just basically just randomly populate some apps on your PC that you can basically use. It's like some quick apps that you can use from Microsoft Copilot. Right here, as well as your conversations. You have your conversations. You have three dots on the right of any conversation. You can delete those conversations showing up right here in Microsoft Copilot. So if you don't want these to show up, you can always delete them as well from here. Or you can click the left side and you have them as well. You can click the three dots and you can delete those conversations as well. But that's it.